Yes. Now next one is match the definitions and phrases. Children, here they have given some phrases and you have to match these phrases with the definitions, means its meaning, we can say. Okay. So first one is annoying person. Annoying person is matching with the a pain in the neck. And second is always willing to help. Always willing to help is match with the supportive. Third is wild. Wild means out of control is written here, so it is matching with the out of control. Fourth is can express himself well, and here fourth one is given as articulate. Fifth is ambitious, and here fifth is wanting to get far in life. Sixth is funny person. Here a good laugh. And seventh is having odd ideas. The person who has odd ideas, he or she is called as eccentric. Eighth is high opinion of himself, and here egotist. A person with high opinion of himself is called egotist. Okay. So children, these are the match the columns, or we can say match the definitions with their phrases. After this, let's go on another page. Here you can see model test paper they have given, and you know that model test paper is most of the time related with your already that given part, those chapters which we have already studied. So here in model test paper 2 they have given pictures of some personalities, famous personalities. So what they ask in this, name the books of the following authors. Here they have given name of different persons, and here you have to write their famous books, means books written by these all the famous personalities. So first one is APJ Abdul Kalam. These all we have studied in chapter number 1 of unit 2. Okay, have you remembered that? Just now we have studied this chapter. So from that chapter they ask about some books, famous books of these personalities, and some of the names are new also. So you can see here what they have given. APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire, means here book's name we can write which we previously learnt, but you can write your own also. Okay. So Catherine Mayo, here that book which is written by this author, it is Mother India. And Charles Darwin, he has written Origin of Species. Shiv Kheda written You Can Win. And Arvid Adiga, he has written The White Tiger. Amitav Ghosh written Sea of Poppies. Arindam Chaudhary he has written the book Count Your Chickens Before They Hatch. And Mulk Raj Anand, he has written the book The Untouchable. And Vikram Seth, he has written A Suitable Boy. And Shiv Kheda, he has written the book of You Can Achieve More. Okay, so children, these are the means book names. You have to match with the authors, and I have already told you that this kind of questions generally come in the form of match the columns. Okay, so you prepare according to that. You should know the name of book and its writer, its author. Okay, so next one is write true or false. So true or false, here they have given about your already read part, that which we have already studied just now. Stripes is a pattern on the body of zebra and tigers. Is it right? Yes, it is true. Lizard, a small creature, can poison you with its sting. You know that lizard, it can't sting, so it is false. Here we have studied in this unit about the scorpion. A large group of animals that move together is called a herd. Yes, it is right. The adjective discharge means the opposite of free. No, it's false. Cruelty is the noun form of cruel. Yes, it is true. So children, this is all about the second unit of your general knowledge. Okay, so this much I have taught you unit 1, unit 2, and you hope you understood properly, and you read it again and revise these all the questions again and again and learn them, and fill all these exercises in the form of fill in the blanks or in the form of match the columns, whatever they have given in the book. Fill all of these in your book only. Don't write anything in any copy. Children, you know that every year you are filling answers in the book only. So don't make any notebook for GK. If you want to do revision, then you can use any kind of rough notebook. So don't make any notebook for separate notebook for GK. Okay, so Jai Gurudev. Next time we will start the next unit.